Hello students, today we have to see the lesson number 4, that is major landforms, which is from the social studies. Okay, so what are the major landforms and what we have to see in that? In that we have to see, we know that our earth having the some land means 30% land it is there and 70% water present in the on the earth. Okay, so it is called as blue planet. But 30% land is not present like a flat surface. It is not like a flat. It having some tough, then crest. Somewhere it is swelling like, somewhere it is deeper like. So it having the different types of landforms. I know that from the first standard you know very well landforms are there, which are landforms are there that you have learned from the first standard. Now here in the deep you have to study. See the student in India is a beautiful country. India is a beautiful country. We are living in the India, and India is very beautiful because it consists of lot of things, means many things are there, many varieties are there, communities are there. We are having the different type of communities, then religions, then festivals, and we are having the different culture. Then also we are living in a one India, and we are all are the one. Okay, and India is having the beautiful nature also, means many things are there in our India that we can say travelers are visiting to our India to see the India is a beautiful country. The surface of our country is not same everywhere. Surface of our country, it is not the same everywhere, means we cannot say like this it is the same everywhere. Okay, we find the various landforms. सभी landforms अलग अलग है. तो like a mountains, somewhere mountains are present, somewhere plains are present, somewhere deserts are present, hills are there. So like a mountains, plains and hills in India are bodies, water bodies like rivers and lakes are also found in the different parts of the country. So water bodies like rivers and lakes are also found in a different parts of the country. Let's see, fill in the missing letters and complete the names of the natural features. Some natural features are shown here, and you have shown the very beautifully. Means here you have shown the mountain, but they have done the first letter of this. You can find out very easily. Here it is the Mountai. It is the mountain. Okay, what is this shown? It's a V-shaped structure, means it a Valley. It is a valley. Next picture D has given, and by the camel we can understand what is which is this part. So here once again, what is the sign that this one is cactus has given to you. So cactus are present in the desert. So DESERT, it is a desert. Now here R has given, but here flowing river has shown you. That means this is the picture of river. Very nicely they have presented in your book. Now we have to see the next one, that is a landform is a natural feature. Okay, it is the naturally, we have not made it. It is the natural feature of Earth's surface. Earth's surface naturally converted हुआ है in desert में, mountain में, hill में, valley में. Okay, the major landforms on our Earth are mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts and peninsulas. Okay, let's read about the major landforms. हमें अभी मेजर लैंडफॉर्म्स देखने हैं, कैसे है, कौन से है, कहाँ पे है. Okay, now first one is the mountains. First one is the mountains. Let's see about the mountains. A mountain is a huge land mass. A mountain is a huge land mass that rises high above its surroundings areas. Okay, माउंटेन्स आर द हाइएस्ट लैंडफॉर्म्स. ये क्या होता है, सरफेस से बड़ा हाइएस्ट हुआ होता है, ये बड़ा हुआ होता है. हाइएस्ट लैंडफॉर्म ऑन द अर्थ इज द माउंटेन. हाइएस्ट लैंडफॉर्म ऑन द अर्थ इज ए mountain. The top of the mountain is known as the peak. Here the picture has shown you. The top of the mountain is shown here. It is a peak. This one is the picture of mountain, and top of the mountain is called as a peak. Okay, do you get it? Okay, next one, that is the top of the mountain is as the peak. It can be round or pointed. It can be round भी हो सकता है. It has shown as a pointed. ये राउंड हो सकता है या पॉइंटेड हो सकता है. इट कैन बी राउंड और ए पॉइंटेड. देन द हाइएस्ट माउंटेन पीक इन द वर्ल्ड इज ए माउंट एवरेस्ट. विच इज़ द पीक, विच इज़ द हाइएस्ट वन? इट इज़ द माउंट एवरेस्ट, जो वर्ल्ड में सबसे बड़ा है. इट्स हाइट इज ए 8,848 मीटर. And where it is present? It is present in Nepal. When the mountains are lined together, they form a mountain range. अभी ये mountain एक साथ अगर line में आ जाए तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? Mountain range. So student, what we have learned here, that mountains are present. Mountains means it is the highest part of the land. Okay. And peak is there. Peak means which is the top of the mountain. We can say it is the peak. It having the round shape or pointed shape. Which is the highest mountain peak in the world? Yes, correct. The Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world. What is the height of this mountain peak? 8,848 meters. Got it? Next one, that is it is present in the Nepal. Where it is? It is present in the Nepal. When the mountains line together, एक माउंटेन के बाद दूसरा, तीसरा, ऐसी लाइन तैयार होती है, उसे क्या कहा जाता है? माउंटेन रेंज. क्या कहा जाता है? Mountain range. A hill is also a type of highland. Hill क्या होती है? It is also type of highland, but it is not as a high as a mountain. ये जितना mountain बड़ा है उतना बड़ा नहीं होता है, उससे थोड़ा सा कम होता है. Hills are how mountains ranges. Their tops are round in shape. हमने देखा कि पीक्स, जो माउंटेन के पीक होते हैं वो कैसे होते हैं? या तो पॉइंटेड होते या तो राउंड होते. लेकिन हिल्स का क्या है? हिल्स हैविंग their tops are round in shape. People visit hill stations during the summers because of pleasant climatic condition. As we know that in our Maharashtra there is a Panchgani and Mahabaleshwar. These are the hill stations, and we are visiting those hill stations in the summer season because we are feeling very hot. When we go at the upside, that time this climate is become the cool. Okay, so that's why we are visiting to the hill station. Always, where are the hill station? On the top of the hill. Okay, hill के जो top है वो कैसे होते? Round in shape. Understand? Next, that is when we draw mountains and hills, it having a V-shaped line is formed, which is called as valley. See, it is draw when we draw mountains and hills, यहाँ पे ऐसे V shaped तैयार हो गया है, इसे क्या कहते हैं? It is called as valley. It is called as valley. दो mountains या दो hills के बीच में ऐसे होता है V shaped. It is called as valley. It is low lying area. वो ऊपर नहीं होता है, सबसे नीचे होता है, ये दोनों के बीच में होता है. ये हिल के और ये हिल के बीच का एरिया, इसे क्या कहा जाता है? वैली. It is a low lying area between the mountains or hills. Usually rivers flow through them. हमेशा यूजुअली क्या होता है आपको पता है, माउंटेन्स टॉप always having the snow. Okay, and during summer season what is happening there? During summer season that snow gets melted, so it comes through that valleys. So always rivers flow from these valleys. Understand? Even if there are the hills or two hills are there, on the hill there is a lot of rainfall. So from that rainfall, rain's water is coming in this area, that is in the V shape, means in the valley. So we can say that usually rivers flow through them. Now we have to see we have seen the mountain, then we have seen the hills as well as valleys. Now we have to see the plains. See the student, this is the picture of plain. Plain means it is not having the any trough, any crust, कोई pointed area नहीं, कोई highest area नहीं, कोई deeper area नहीं है, ये सिर्फ plain area होता है. Plains are flat and leveled lands. ये क्या होता है? फ्लैट होता है और लेवल लैंड होता है, एक जैसा लैंड होता है. Plains are the most populated as they are fertile. ये क्या होते हैं? ज़्यादातर फर्टाइल होता है एरिया. फर्टाइल मीन्स वी कैन ग्रो द क्रॉप्स देयर, वी कैन यूज इट फॉर द फार्मिंग. इट इज़ फर्टाइल एरिया. तो यहाँ पे पॉपुलेशन होता है, लोग यहाँ पे रहते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? मोस्टली वेयर पीपल्स आर लिविंग इन द प्लेन एरिया. Understood? So populated as they are fertile, and life is easy here in comparison to other landforms. See, the mountain पे हम लोग रह सकते हैं क्या? वहाँ पे प्रॉपर कंडीशन नहीं होती है, हमेशा स्नोफॉल होता है और वहाँ पे जो हमें सस्टेनेबल कंडीशन है वो नहीं होती है, क्रॉप्स ग्रो नहीं कर सकते हैं ज़्यादातर. तो ये जो एरिया है प्लेन एरिया, यहाँ पे हम लोग ईजीली हमारा लाइफ सस्टेन कर सकते हैं कंपैरिजन टू अदर लैंड फॉर्म. ओके, मेनी बिग सिटीज़ आर लोकेटेड इन द प्लेन्स. मेनी बिग सिटीज़ लोकेटेड इन द प्लेन्स. Plenty of food crops are also grown in this region. You also observe your area where you are living, in the hilly area or in the plain area, that you have to find out. The most population we can find in the plain area itself. Now we have to see the plateaus. A plateau is a rocky highland with a flat top. प्लेटू क्या होता है? रॉकी हाईलैंड होता है विथ अ फ्लैट टॉप. इट लुक्स लाइक अ टेबल टॉप. जैसा हमारा टेबल होता है, टेबल का टॉप होता है, उसके जैसा ही ये दिखाई देता है. हिल्स एंड माउंटेन्स आर फाउंड अलोंग द एजेस ऑफ सम प्लेट्यूज. प्लेट्यूज आर हायर दैन द प्लेन्स. जैसे कि प्लेन हमने देखा कि ये पूरी ऐसी ज़मीन होती है, वी कैन सी इट इज़ ए फ्लैट. ओके, ये ज़मीन फ्लैट होती है. लेकिन जो प्लेट्यूज है वो किससे बनते हैं? रॉक्स होते हैं और थोड़ा सा हायर होता है. किससे? इस प्लेन एरिया से थोड़ा सा हायर होता है. ओके, इट हैविंग द मिनरल डिपॉजिटेड एंड फर्टाइल लैंड्स आर आल्सो फाउंड इन दिस रीजन. अंडरस्टैंड। ये जो टेबल टॉप की तरह दिखाई देता है, यहाँ पे दिखाई दे रहा है आपको, देखो ये जो पिक्चर है ये है प्लेट्यूज का। सी इट्स लुक लाइक अ टेबल टॉप, ऐसे होता है एरिया। यहाँ पे कोई थोड़े मिनरल्स होते हैं, तो यहाँ पे फर्टाइल लैंड भी होती है, आप यहाँ पे थोड़ी बहुत खेती भी कर सकते हो। यहाँ पे रॉक से बनता है, एंड वी नो दैट always दैट फ्रॉम द रॉक्स सॉइल इज फॉर्म्ड। मीन्स रॉक्स के ऊपर अगर बारिश होती है, कंटिन्यू धूप मिलती है, कंटिन्यू उसके ऊपर वेदर का इफ़ेक्ट होकर क्या हो जाता है, वो छोटे 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 पार्टिकल तैयार होते हैं। और कैसे होते हैं, स्टोरी ऑफ सॉइल, दैट इज़ बड़े बड़े पत्थर, बड़े बड़े रॉक्स नीचे आ जाते हैं, छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स हो जाते हैं, और फ्लो के अंदर मीन्स रिवर के फ्लो के अंदर अगर वो चले जाएंगे तो वो छोटे 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 बनते जाते हैं। ओके, तो इससे सॉइल तैयार होती है। उसके लिए सालों गुजर जाते हैं, बहुत साल गुजर जाते हैं। अंडरस्टूड? यू आर यू गेटिंग दिस? Plateau is a high land than the plain. Okay. Desert. See, it is the desert. We can understand desert when we see the picture of camel and sand area. We can say yes, definitely it is a desert. So what is a desert? We know that desert means it is a sand covered area. Desert means it is a sand covered area. A desert is a large area of a dry land. It is a large area of a dry land. This area receives the little or no rainfall. Sometimes it is a little, or there will be a no rainfall. In the desert area there is a rarely rainfall is there. It can be hot or cold. Very few trees grow here because soil it is not there, so water content it is not there, and without water content the soil or roots of the trees cannot be sustained. We know that all living things need the water to survive, so plants also need the water to survive there. And if it is there is only sand, so there is no moisture. अगर जहाँ पे हम लोग बोलते हैं जहाँ पे पेड़ पौधे होते वहीं पे ही ज़्यादा बारिश गिरती है. सो इट इज़ ए डेजर्ट. नाउ peninsula, what is this? The land which is surrounded by the water from three sides is called as peninsula. For example, India's southern part is surrounded by three water bodies, namely the Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, and the Arabian Sea. Hence, India's southern part is a peninsula. See, it is the peninsula. What is the condition that peninsula having the surrounded by the like this means three. This is one edge, this is second edge, this is third edge. तो तीनों से वो सराउंडेड बाय द वाटर. फिर यहाँ से आगे लैंड है. इफ़ यू हैव सीन द इंडियन मैप or our India's map, then you can understand how it is southern part. This is called as peninsula. Now multiple choice questions, MCQs were there. Take the correct answer. The top of the mountain is known as the, क्या बोलते हैं उसे? Peak. Correct. क्या बोलते हैं उसे? Peak. Mineral deposits are found in the plateaus. Okay, next one, that is water bodies. Water is present on the earth in the different forms. Let's study about them. Great oceans. Okay, we have already studied that oceans are very big and large water bodies on the earth. There are 5 oceans in the world. I have told you in the second lesson also which are those 5 lessons. We can repeat it. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic or Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. These are the 5 oceans, and Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean from these, and Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Okay. Seas are the big water bodies, but they are smaller than the ocean. Ocean is the very big and large water body on the earth. And ocean से भी छोटा होता है, उसे कहते हैं seas. Water in the oceans and seas is salty. Hence, we cannot use it at home or to grow the plants. Now here we have seen about the ocean. Seas are the big water bodies, but we know that it having the salty water, it having the highly salty water. So we cannot use this water for the our daily purposes, and we cannot grow the plants or crops in it. Next, rivers. Rivers are the large streams which flow on the particular path called as course. जो path होता है river जहाँ से flow होता है उसे क्या कहा जाता है? Course. Then a river goes through many changes in its course. It starts its journey from the source. Usually this source can be a hill or a mountain. ये यूजुअली कहाँ से आते हैं? हिल से आते हैं या माउंटेन से आते हैं. एज द स्नो ऑफ द माउंटेन और हिल्स मेल्ट्स, water flows in small streams. When these small streams join, they form a river. During its journey, a river grows in size as the other rivers join it in the hills. Some may join the main river in the plains. These rivers are known as tributaries. Then the mouth of the river is place where the river ends its journey and joins another big water body such as sea or an ocean. Okay, here this point is over. Some concept has given a gulf. A gulf is a large area of sea that is partly surrounded by land with a narrow mouth. ये रिवर से रिलेटेड है, जो पार्टली सराउंडेड बाय द लैंड विद अ नैरो माउथ इसे कहते हैं. सॉरी, ये सी से रिलेटेड है, जो सराउंड किया जाता है और वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा पानी होता है, उसे कहा जाता है गल्फ. अ बे इज आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ ए सी. बे वी कैन से द बे ऑफ बंगाल एंड देन बे ऑफ इंडियन ओशन. What is that? A bay is also a part of sea surrounded by a wide curved land on three sides. A strait is a narrow passage of water which separates two land masses and connects two large bodies. Okay, multiple choice question. Rivers flow along a particular path called as a course. Now, lakes. The water bodies which are surrounded by land on all sides are called as lakes. Lakes are of two types, freshwater lakes and saltwater lake. A freshwater lake contains water that is not salty. For example, Lake Superior in North America. And saltwater lake, a saltwater lake contains water that is salty. For example, Sambar Lake in India. Waterfalls. These water bodies are formed when streams or rivers fall from a height. For example, the Jog Falls in Karnataka. See, it has given here. Okay, here are the points to remember. Mountains are the highest landforms on land. The low-lying areas between mountains or hills are known as valleys. Plains are flat and level lands. Plenty of food crops are grown in the plains. Plateaus are higher than the plains. Mineral deposits and fertile lands are found here. The land which is surrounded by water from three sides is called peninsula. Then, water is present on the earth in different forms such as ocean, seas, rivers, lakes, and waterfalls. The journey of river starts at its source and ends at its mouth. Now we will see the exercise. Oral questions. Where do we find plenty of food crops? Yes, your answer is correct. At the plain region. है ना? At the plain region we can see the plenty of food crops. Is the seawater salty? Yes. Yes. The seawater is seawater is a salty water. Then take the correct answer. Test yourself. That is, when the mountains are located together, they form a peak, mountain range, and hill. Yes, correct. It is a mountain range. Rocky land higher than the plains with a flat top is called as a peninsula, then desert or plateau. Yes, correct. It is a plateau. Lakes are of dot type. It are having two type, that is fresh water and salty water. Multiple choice questions. MCQs. Take the correct answers. Highest mountain peak in the world is the Valley, Himalayas or Mount Everest. Correct. It is Mount Everest. When a stream or river falls from the height, a dot is formed. Waterfall. A river ends its journey at the source, mouth and course. Is correct. Mouth. Then unscrambled word. We can understand. It is desert. Okay. Next word is valley. It is plateau. Okay. Next one is peninsula. Okay. So here write the short answers. Write short notes on the following. That is mountain range. Mountain range. You should write these all things. Here I'll show you. You have to write this one. That is all thing. From where you should write? From here. A mountain is a huge from here to up to this. Okay. Or you can write this only, and see, a mountain, you can write this one. A mountain is a huge landmass that rises high above its surrounding areas. Mountains are highest landforms on the earth. The top of the mountain is as a peak और आप लोग फिर ये लिख सकते हैं when the mountains are lined together they form a mountain range. ओके, इसे आपको ज्वाइन करना है सेंटेंसेस. फिर क्या है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज वैली. वैली भी देखो आप, ये पूरा पैराग्राफ आपको लिखना है वैली का. When we draw the mountains and hills, a V-shaped is formed. It is called as valley. ये आप पूरा लिख सकते हो यहाँ तक. Okay, next that is peninsula and lake. Okay, lake short word which is very simple. Lake के बारे में आप क्या लिख सकते हो? Lake having two types. The water bodies which are surrounded by the land on the all sides are called lakes. Lakes having two type. ये आपको type भी लिखने हैं उसके अंदर. ये आपको लिखना है लेग्स में। और दूसरा कौन सा था, पेनिनसुला। ओके, सो यू शुड राइट अबाउट द पेनिनसुला। ये पूरा पैराग्राफ लिखो पेनिनसुला का। ओके, दिस वन। सो हो गए आपके शॉर्ट नोट्स। नाउ नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज ए डेजर्ट? Now you should write about the desert. What is a desert? A desert is a large area of a dry land. This area receives little or no rainfall. It can be hot or cold. Very few trees grow. Here is the next question, that is, how many oceans are there in the world? Name them. There are the 5 oceans in the world. You have to write their name, that is Atlantic Ocean, then Indian Ocean, then Antarctica or Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Sorry, this one is remaining Pacific Ocean. These 5 oceans were there in the world. Okay, in this way you have to write this question answer. Next question is there that we have to see, that describe the journey of river. See student, here is the journey of river, how the rivers comes. Here rivers are the large streams which flow on a particular path called as course. A river goes through many changes in its course. It starts its journey from the source. कहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं? सोर्स। और यूजुअली दिस सोर्स कैन बी अ हिल और ए माउंटेन। हमेशा प्लेन में या डेजर्ट में इसकी जर्नी स्टार्ट नहीं होती, तो हमेशा ये कहाँ से स्टार्ट होती है? हिल या माउंटेन। आप कौन सी भी रिवर देखो वो हमेशा किधर होगी? हिल्स एंड माउंटेन से स्टार्ट होती है इसकी जर्नी। एज द स्नो on the mountains or hills melts, water flows in the small streams. जैसे जैसे ऊपर से पानी पिघलता जाएगा, वो बर्फ पिघलता जाएगा, वो नीचे स्ट्रीम के फॉर्म में छोटे छोटे स्ट्रीम्स तैयार होते हैं और नीचे आ जाते हैं। When these small streams join, they form a रिवर। छोटे छोटे स्ट्रीम्स इकट्ठा आते हैं एक जगह पे, तो पूरा वो फ्लो बड़ा हो जाता है, उसे कहा जाता है रिवर। ड्यूरिंग दिस जर्नी अ रिवर ग्रोज इन साइज एज द अदर रिवर्स जॉइन इट इन द hills, and some may join the main river in the plains. These rivers are known as tributaries. So up to this you have to write, the mouth of the river is the place where river ends its journey. तो कहाँ से लिखना है आपको? रिवर्स जर्नी स्टार्ट, यहाँ से आपको लिखना है यहाँ तक, एंड जर्नी तक। ओके, सॉरी, यहाँ तक। Big water bodies such as a sea and ocean. It is the big answer question of next. Sorry, next question we have to write. You have to write that question in this way. Now next question is there, that is, sorry, मैंने ये आगे का क्वेश्चन लिया क्या? ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, आपको आगे के क्वेश्चन का आंसर तो पता चला, क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन चल रहा है हमारा शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन। हाउ मेनी नेम सॉल्ट वाटर and fresh water lake. We know that the lake means Lake Superior, it is the fresh water which is present in the North America, and Samba, it is the salt water lake which is present in the India. Okay, these two names you have to write. Now we have to see the answer the following questions. Why do people visit hill stations during the summer? As we know that in summer season climate is very hot, sun shines directly on our head, and that time we feel very hot. So hills having the low mountain, hills tops are round in shape, and people visit hill stations during summer because of pleasant climatic condition. Understood? So there is a pleasant climatic condition. For that purpose, people are visiting the hill station. Next is that list two differences between plateaus and plains. We know that plains having the flat surface. See here, plains are flat and leveled lands. You can write in the plain. And next is that plateaus is a rocky highland with a flat top. It look like a tabletop. Okay, we can say it look like a tabletop. You can understand this is the first difference, that is this is the first difference what I have shown you. This one is first difference. Plains are flat and level lands, and plateau is a rocky highlands with a flat top. It look like a tabletop. And plains are most populated as they are fertile. Life is very easy here. And here what is that? Hills and mountains are found along the edges of some plateaus. Plateaus are higher than the plains. यहाँ पे आप लोग लिख सकते हो plateaus are higher than the plains, and mineral deposits and fertile lands are also found in this region. And plains, plenty of food crops are grows in this region, and population is there. You have to write only two differences. How to write differences? You should make the table like this. Here you can write the plain, and here you can write the plateaus. Okay, here first difference, here first difference, here second. As I have told you, plains are the flat like surface, level lands, and plateau is the highland. It is the first. Means in the first there is a first sentence is this one and this one. Okay, like this you have to write down. Okay, next one, that is next question we have to see. You get it? You have to make the two tables, and in that you have to write plains and plateaus. Here, next question I have discussed with you before. Describe the journey of a river. That question I have discussed before. In this way you have to write. And higher order thinking skill question is there. Why do you think big cities are located in the plains? इसका क्वेश्चन आप थिंक करो और लिखो. लिखने के बाद मुझे भेजना है. आई वॉन्ट टू सी हाउ you are thinking about this. Okay students, now you have to read this lesson carefully and write down the question answer.